children. Good morning to you all. I hope you understood yesterday's English class, which was about uh, grammar, what you call kinds of sentences. Understand? I just explained what are the different kinds of sentences, and then I posted a picture wherein in your textbook you had an exercise and asked you to do. It is just like do as directed. One sentence is given and you are supposed to change it into required type. Okay, you are supposed to do it in a required type, but I am not sure whether you did or not about it. So just an explanation cannot be sufficient thing for you. So let us discuss the answers, and I will give some more examples for your practice. Understand? There ends our today's English class. So first, once again I revise. We have four types of uh, kinds of sentences. Four kinds of sentences. They are declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. Declarative sentence is always used for expressing our views, giving our own opinions, to say something about some topics. Understand? So, to talk in general, we need these sentences, simple sentences. As you know, they start with capital and end with full stop. Secondly, we need interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences means what? They are the questions, asking sentences. Why do we need interrogative sentences? To inquire about something, to ask questions, to get new information about anything. We need interrogative sentences. Means for asking something, we have to put the questions. We have to ask the questions. So they can be started with WH words. Why, what, when, which, where, etc. Who, whose. Understand? Why are you late today? Where are you going now? When did you return from your native place? How was your holidays? In this way, we use WH words for making questions. Otherwise, we use do, does, and did also. Do you want some more food? Does he write well? Did you know what happened? So, what happened? Did you know what happened yesterday? Did you visit your grandparents during the holidays? In this way? Understanding. And third type is using auxiliaries. Is, was, are. Are you hungry now? Is it a nice day for you? Hmm? Will you come to my house? Can I help you? In this way. Understand? In this way, in three varieties, three ways we can put the questions. First one by using ask WH words, question words. Second way, using do form words. Third one, using auxiliaries. Okay, then third comes imperative sentences. Imperative sentences are those sentences which are used for asking questions. Sorry, making requests and commands. They are used for making requests and commands. You can, for example, you are coming to school. You are late. Teacher is already started the class. So you ask, may I come in, teacher? Please, may I come in, teacher? What are you doing here? You are asking a permission. Can I drink some water, please? Please help me with my homework. Can you carry my bag? May I help you in this way? Commands, orders. Go out right now. Please don't talk. Please, word only we will not use in while making the commands. Don't talk in the class. Don't make noise here. In this way we talk. For this we use commands. These commands and requests are called imperative sentences. Then exclamatory sentences are used to show sudden feelings of happiness or sorrow or any other type of like surprise, etc. Wow, so happy for you. What a beautiful dress. Wow. Oh ho, you are late today. Shit. I couldn't do my project. Hurrah, we won the match. Understand, in this way we use these words to show sudden feelings of happiness. Alas, my dog is dead. In this way we use certain words, and the mark I already showed you yesterday, this mark to show our exclamatory sentences. So, in this regard, we have got the exercise in our textbook, which I sent a photo for those who do not have textbook, and those who have textbook, you can see the page number and do I said. Okay. Same thing, once again I want to revise. It is just like do as directed. Rewrite these sentences in your notebooks according to the instructions given in the brackets. So I don't write anything, it is just for your information. Rewrite these sentences according to given instructions. Okay, it is also just for your information. First one, you have to write like this. I don't know, yesterday it was a first class whether you have followed or not. So I want to repeat it once again. Get well soon. So when this mark comes, obviously, definitely it is exclamatory sentence. And they asked you to change into declarative sentence. Means simple sentence. Okay. How will you do? They should answer. I hope that you get well soon. Remaining, this is already shown in the textbook. Remaining all you are doing on your own. So you must have done or not. Here I am showing the answers how to write, and you please check out with your answers. Won't you help me clean the cupboard? Won't you means will not you help me? I told you we can use the auxiliaries for making questions. Help me to clean the cupboard. Question mark is there. Means it is a question. So they asked you to change into imperative. Imperative sentence. Means you have to make the request, not the order. If you need anybody's help, if you do command, come and help me, they don't help you. When you need others' help, you have to speak softly in a requesting manner. So how can you write, please help me to clean the cupboard. Please help me to clean the cupboard. In this way you can ask, or you can say, please will you help me to clean the cupboard? Please you help me to clean the cupboard, in that way. Anyway, it is right. Third one is, you should be careful you should be careful while crossing the road. This is a declarative sentence. You have to change it into exclamatory. What to do? First one you say. You don't add you should anything. Just you start with it. Be careful while crossing the road. You can write your exclamatory sentence. Be careful while crossing the road. And put exclamatory mark. In this way, you can change the sentences. Now, last three are left. We will do them, okay? So, I hope these are clear. First one, get well soon. It is, you have to change into declarative. I hope that you will get well soon. Won't you help me to clean the cupboard? Question, you have to change into imperative sentence. Please help me to clean the cupboard. You should be careful while crossing the road. It is declarative sentence. You have to change into exclamatory, where we did be careful while crossing the road. So next. Fourth one. Please show me the way to the library. Please show me the way to library. You are here having imperative sentence and you are asked to change it into interrogative, means question. You have to change it into a question. What you have to do? How to write the question? Will you show me or can you show me the way? Will you show me the way to library? This way. Will you show me the way to library? This becomes interrogative, means question. Question mark is important for it. Okay. Fifth one is, where can I find a sweet shop? Where can I find a sweet shop? It is a question because question mark is there. You have to change it into declarative sentence, simple sentence. Okay, we have to change it into declarative sentence with simple sentence. How can we do? I can find a sweet shop. That's it. Or you can add there also. I can find a sweet shop there. Or I can find a sweet shop is also right. It is declarative sentence. Next, last one. This is really sudden. This is really sudden. This is a declarative sentence, children. It is declarative sentence and you are asked to change into exclamatory. You are asked to change it into exclamatory sentence. How can you do? How sudden this is. How sudden this is. And one more thing I want to tell here, it becomes exclamatory. How, without using any auxiliary after question words, we can start the sentence. Understand? With adjective means it becomes, and the auxiliary will become in the end. What beautiful flower the rose is. What? How? These two words we use generally for making exclamatory sentences. But the thing is, how is he now antamu? In the question, imperative question. How is this book అని అడుగుతాము. వాట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ నేమ్ అని అంటాము క్వశ్చన్లో. హౌ ఈజ్ ద రోజ్ అంటాము. ఇక్కడ హౌ బ్యూటిఫుల్ ద రోజ్ ఈజ్. ఇక్కడ ఈజ్ అనేది ఆఫ్టర్ క్వశ్చన్ వర్డ్ వీ డోంట్ గెట్ ఎనీ ఆక్సిలరీ లైక్ ఈజ్, ఆర్ అండ్ ఎనీ అదర్ auxiliaries. Only after question word we get the adjective and then last we get the auxiliary while writing exclamatory sentence. This is one thing. Or else in the beginning, oh no, I forgot my book. Oh no, on a place like you are going to put the exclamatory mark. Understand? These are the two ways in which you write the auxiliary exclamatory marks. Okay, now this is all about what I wanted to tell you. Now I am going to give you 5 to 6 such extra sentences to form the exclamatory sentences. Okay, Just I show on the blackboard. These are all from the textbook. You check your answers. Next, I am going to give the questions. I am going to give the questions. You are going to uh, write the things with the instructions. Change the sentences with the given instructions. On my own, I am going to give. First one, if I say this is Raghu's house. Huh? If I ask you to change into interrogative, means question, what you have to do? Whose house is there? Huh? I gave a declarative sentence and asked you to change it into interrogative. What you have to do? Whose house is there? Whose house is this? Sorry, and you can write. If I ask you second one, same way, how beautiful the rose is. How beautiful the rose is. This is exclamatory sentence. If I ask you to change into declarative, so simple it is to do. The rose is beautiful, you can write. The rose is beautiful. It becomes a declarative sentence. Third, all 4 examples I am showing. Please help me to lift this bag. It is declarative again. If I ask you to change into imperative, what will you do? Please help me to lift this bag. You can write. What you will write? Please help me to lift this bag. Okay. If was he absent to school? It is a question. If I want you to write declarative sentence, you can write like this. He was absent to school. He was absent to school. In this way, we can change. This is Raghu's house. It is a declarative sentence. You have to change it into interrogative, means whose house is this? Or where is Raghu's house? Understand? How beautiful the rose is. Declarative sentence. Means the rose is beautiful, simple sentence. Or if you are asked to make a question, which flower is beautiful? How is the rose? You can make interrogative. Please help me to lift this bag. Change it to request. Hmm? Uh, can you help me? Sorry. Question it is. And you can change it to imperative. How? Please help me to lift this bag. Was he absent today? To school? You can say declarative sentence. How can you make? He was absent to school. Hmm. Or imperative can be changed into declarative. How? He can help me to lift the bag. Understand? Can he help you to lift the bag? Question it becomes. In this way, we can change. And of course, I'm not going to give you the same sentences. Just example I showed. If I give different sentences, how can you do it? Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Let us stop here, and tomorrow we are going to do the next topic, which is very interesting and little tough also. I need your attention for it. Thank you, children.